Amazfit T-Rex 2 Smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 Smartwatch for men is an exceptional product that combines style, functionality, and reliability in one sleek device. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I am confident in providing you with a comprehensive review of this smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 boasts a 1.39-inch screen that offers clear and vibrant visuals, allowing for easy reading of notifications and activity tracking. The large display ensures that information is readily accessible at just a glance, making it suitable for users of all ages. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its built-in GPS technology. The GPS functionality is highly accurate, allowing users to track their activities and routes with precision. Whether you're cycling, snow skiing, climbing, camping and hiking, or swimming, the Amazfit T-Rex 2 can accurately record your distance, pace, and location. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts,